2x minus 3y equals to 6. So, ito ay nasa form na ax plus by equals to c. And then, gagawin natin form na y is equal to mx plus b. So, gagawin natin ganyan. First step, dahil y lang matitira dun, so yung 2x, hilipat natin sa kabila. So, negative 3y equals to positive 2x magiging negative 2x plus 6. Dahil may kasama pa yung y, divide natin siya both side. So, divide both side by negative 3. So, maka-cancel na to. So, y is equal to negative 2 divided by negative 3. So, yan ay magiging positive 2 over 3. 2/3. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung x. And then, 6 divided by negative 3. That is negative 2. So, yan na ay nasa form na y is equal to mx plus b. 3x minus y equals to 9. So, again, ito ay nasa form na ax plus by equals to c. Gagawin natin siyang ulit, y is equal to mx plus b. So, the same process lang din. So, yung 3x ililipat sa kabila. Yung matitira dito, negative y na lang. Equals, positive 3x magiging negative 3x plus 9. At dahil negative y yun, so hindi pwedeng negative y yan. So, ang gagawin natin, divide natin both side by negative 1. Itong negative y, matitira na lang dito ay positive y. So, may positive y na yan. Then, ito, mag-change sign lang ito. So, ito, negative 3x, magiging positive 3x. Then, ito, positive 9, magiging negative 9. Y is equal to 6x plus 5. So, ito naman ay nasa form na y is equal to mx plus b. At gagawin naman natin siyang ax plus by equals to c. So, kanina, yung x nasa left, ililipat natin sa right. Ngayon, yung may x nasa right, ililipat naman natin siya sa left. Positive 6x magiging negative 6x plus y equals to positive 5. Dito, bawal, hindi pwede yung negative na x. So, ito yung a, hindi pwede yung negative na a. So, dapat gawin natin positive yan. So, anong gagawin natin? So, multiply natin ng negative 1 both side. 6x plus y equals to 5 times negative 1. Yan. So, mag-multiply tayo negative 1 both side. Ito, negative to. Then, negative 1 times negative 6x, yan ay magiging positive 6x. Negative 1 times positive y magiging negative y. Equals to positive 5 times negative 1, yan ay magiging negative 5. And that's it. Next, y is equal to x plus 2. So, gaya kanina, ito ay y is equal to mx plus b. At gagawin natin ax plus by equals to c. Gaya din kanina, yung x, lipat natin sa left side. So, positive x magiging negative x plus y equals to positive 2. At dahil negative ulit yan, multiply ulit tayo ng negative 1. Negative x plus y equals to 2 times negative 1. Okay, negative 1 times negative x, so magiging positive x. Negative 1 times positive 1 magiging negative y equals to 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Negative y plus 4x is equal to negative 9. Gawin muna natin siya sa form na ax plus by equals to c. So, dapat mauuna yung 4x, yung x, bago yung y, that is equal to negative 9. And that's it. Then, dito naman, yung 4x, ilipat natin sa right side. So, matitira na lang dito ay negative y is equal to, yung positive 4x, magiging negative 4x minus 9. Gaya din kanina, dahil may negative pa to, negative y, hindi rin pwede. So, divide natin by negative 1. It's either divide natin sa negative 1 or multiply natin sa negative 1. So, ito, y na lang matitira dito. Wala nang negative. And then, negative 4x divided by negative 1. So, ito ay magiging positive 4x. Negative 9 magiging positive 9. And next, negative 2x plus y equals to 7. So, gaya ng sabi ko nina, hindi pwedeng negative yung a, yung may kasamang x. So, gagawin natin, multiply natin siya sa negative 1. Or simply, mag-change sign na lang tayo. Negative 2x magiging positive 2x. Positive y magiging negative y. And that's equal to positive 7 magiging negative 7. And then sa y is equal to mx plus b, lipat lang natin yung 2x. So, negative y is equal to negative 2x minus 7. At dahil negative na naman yung y, gawin nating positive. So, mag-change sign tayo sa lahat. So, negative y magiging positive y. Negative 2x magiging positive 2x. Negative 7 magiging positive 7. 5 plus 5x minus 2y equals to 0. Dahil nandito yung 5, ililipat natin siya sa right side. So, 5x, positive 5x, minus 2y is equal to positive 5 magiging negative 5. So, that's it. Then, ito naman, lipat natin yung 5x sa right side. So, negative 2y is equal to positive 5x magiging negative 5x minus 5. Dahil may kasama pa yung y, so divide natin siya sa kasama niya. So, negative 2, negative 2. Okay. So, ito, cancel na to. So, y na lang yan. Negative 5 divided by negative 2. So, yan ay magiging positive 5 over 2x. Then, to. Para yung negative kaya maging positive 5 over 2. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayo natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.